Hey guys, I'm a week post my first chemo treatment. I only have 3 more sessions to do. I've been doing the cold capping, which is not really a new concept, but it is something that you can do to help protect against hair loss. So I've been doing that just to prevent as much hair loss as possible, and overall I feel like it's working pretty well. My energy's good, my spirits are high, and I know it's working. I will say there's times where I feel more tired and I have to take a little break, and that's okay. I think whether you're going through cancer, chemo, radiation, whenever you're feeling down, it's good to take time for yourself and just to rest. Rest is best, right? So I'll keep you guys updated. I have 3 more chemo sessions, and so I'll be cancer-free by December. I'm super excited. And I'm not going anywhere, so if anyone needs anything, I'm here at Tome Wellness and Aesthetics. So give us a call. Hope to see you soon.